Hi, so today we're gonna make a pom-pom rug using a non-slip mat, some yarn, and a paper towel roll. So we've got this non-slip mat. We got it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And we have our paper towel roll and some yarn. You can use any kind of colors you want. I'm doing mostly whites, blues, yellows, and purples. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure out how big we wanna make our rug and just cut it to size. Let's see. So we're gonna make a smaller mat right now. And we'll save this later. Okay, so that's going to be about the size of our mat. Now with our paper towel roll, we're just gonna cut this in half. Now with our paper towel roll, this is going to be basically kind of like our measurement of how big our pom-poms are going to be. So with our yarn, all we're going to do is pull the paper towel rolls together, wrap the yarn around, and you're just going to keep wrapping around and around and around. And if you want to do multiple colors, you can. So we've got a blue and white yarn with an all white yarn. I'll just wrap that around. Now you want quite a bit of yarn on here because you want your pom-poms to be very full. If you don't put a lot of yarn on there, your pom-pom's gonna be very flat and it's not gonna look fluffy at all. All right, that looks about good. Okay, so now we're just gonna slide this off, keeping it somewhat together. Just keep it right there. Now with a piece of yarn, it can be really any color. We're gonna use white. We're just gonna lay that on the table. Put our pom-pom on here. It's gonna be exactly in the middle. Now we're just going to tie a knot. Make sure it's really tight. Flip it over. Tie another knot. Tie it a few times so it's really tight. Okay. Now these are your tails. We're going to keep them long because that's what we're going to tie into the mat when we're done. Now, where it loops around, we're just going to cut those. To make our pom-pom. And then on the other side, we're going to cut those. And there's one of our pom-poms. So next, we're going to put it in our mat. We're going to use our our pom-pom tails. So using our pom-pom tails, we're just going to put one tail in through one hole. And I usually skip about 2 holes, but same line. Put the other tail through that hole. I'm going to flip the mat around. We're just going to tie a knot on the other side to lock that pom-pom in. I would tie it about 2 or 3 times to make sure it's not going to fall off. And there's the start of our pom-pom carpet. Okay, so you're going to repeat that process until your pom-pom carpet is full. It will look something like this, and again, you can use any color of yarn that you want to do. I've made a small little carpet, but of course you can make as big as you want.